Okay, so knowing this about shifting our mental state by simply moving the shape of our body in space is interesting. But how can you actually use it in your life? You can certainly stand like Wonder Woman before you have to give a presentation. I think you should act like Wonder Woman at all times. You can gently smile when you're feeling sorta meh. If you've watched my 16-minute mini course on thoughts people who consistently rock their health habits think, you know the trick of physically rubbing your hands together and saying, bring it on. Even if you're not 100% sure you want anything brought upon you. It feels kind of evil genius in a good way. Maybe you could stick your pinky in your teeth like Austin Powers, or I guess that's Dr. Evil. The sub point is that there's a lot we can do to cultivate presence and control over our experience. The main point is that we sit and stand in powerless ways way more often than we might think, especially when we're looking at our phones. Amy Cuddy's book is called Presence, which she defines as the state of being attuned to and able to comfortably express our true thoughts, feelings, values, and potential. She explains that presence is not a permanent state. It's a moment-to-moment experience of being yourself. The trick is learning how to experience more and more of those moments more and more consistently. She says that nonverbal expressions of our power are hardwired and independent of our cultural background. We instinctively throw our arms up in a V when we win a race. We naturally expand our bodies when we feel powerful. But the relationship is bidirectional. When you feel powerful, you expand. And when you expand, you feel more powerful.